Namaste, good morning all of you, my dear 5th class students. Today discuss about division. So this is the activity book. Everybody open your activity book. See here. $85,291. 85,291 taking as divided and 16 taking as divisor. First we can write a 16 table here. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96, like that only. See here, 85,291, this is the dividend, and 16 taking as a divisor. Then while you are doing division problems, so we have to go from left side. Left side here, first place we have to take, then 80 is less than 16, so it won't be. Then you can take 80 is less than 16, so it is not correct. Then you can take 2 digits from left side, that is 85. See here, 85. See, listen. 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96. 16 sixes are 96 is more than 85. So it is not suitable. Then we have to take 16 fives are 80. Okay? Alternates. See here, 16 fives are 80. Then 80 is subtracted from 85. First 5 minus 0, 5. 8 minus 8, 0. Now next 5 is less than 16, then you can bring down 2 from to the remainder. Next 16 fours are 64. Here 52 is there. So 64 is greater than, more than 52. Then it is not possible. So we have to go next 16 threes are 48. So it is possible. 16 threes are 48. Then 48 is subtracted from 52. First 8 is subtracted from 2. So now here 2 minus 8 is possible? Not possible. Then you can take borrowing from 5. It can give 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Here 4. 12 minus 8, you can get 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Now next bring down 9. Now next 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. See here 49. 16 fours are 64 is more than 49. So we have to take 16 threes are 48. Again 16 threes are 48. Now 48 is subtracted from 49. First we subtracted digits in ones place, that is 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. Next bring down 1. 11. See here, 16 ones are 16. 16 is more than 11. Now we have to take 16 zeros are So 0 is subtracted from any number, you can get the same number. Then you can write here quotient is equals to 5330. The remainder is equals to 11. So my dear children, everybody read multiplication tables from 1 to 20. Then you can do the division problems. Now next, see here 20, 82,939, 82,939 taking as dividend. So 20 is taking as divisor. So 20 table very easy, no? 20 table very easy. So 20 ones are 20, 22s are 40, 23s are 60, 24s are 80, 25s are 100, 26 are 120. See here, while you are doing the division problems, first we can start from left side. See here, left side first place is 8. 8 is less than 20. Then you can take 2 digits from left side, that is 82. See, 82 where it is possible. See, 25 is 100. 100 is more than 82. So 24 is 80. So 80 is less than 82. Then you can write 24 is 80. See here, 2 minus 0, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. 2 is less than 20. Now bring down 9. 2 reminders. See here 29. Where it is possible? 21s are 20, 22s are 40. 22s are 40 is more than 29. Then you can take 21s are 20. 21s are 20. Then 20 is subtracted from 29. First we subtracted first place digit. 9 minus 0, 9. 2 minus 2, 0. So 9 is less than 20. Now bring down 3 to the remainder. 93. See where it is possible. 25 is 100. 25 is 100. 100 is more than 93. Then you can take 24 is 8 once again. 24 is 8. Then here 3 minus 0, 3. 0 is subtracted from any number, you can get 0. Next, 9 minus 8, 1. Here 13 is also less than 20. Now bring down 9. See 139. See here 26 are 120, 27 are 140, 28 are 160. So here 27 are 140 is more than the 139. So we have to take 26 are 120. 26 are 120. See here 120 is subtracted from 139. First we subtracted one place digit. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now here quotient is equals to 4146. Remainder, that is equals to 19. Now next. Certain table. 33,083. See here. Now say everybody, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78. See here. So here from left side we have to take two digits. If we take one digit, that is 3, 3 is less than 13. So 3 is less than 13 is not suitable. So I have to take two digits from left side, that is 33. See here where it is possible. 13 3 is 39. 39 is more than 33. Then you can take 13 2s are 26. 13 2s are 26. Listen carefully. See here. 26 is subtracted from 33 means first we subtract the digits in ones place. See here, 3 minus 6 possible beta? Not possible. Then take borrowing from 3, it can give 10, 10 plus 3, 13. So here 2. 13 minus 6, 7. Next, 2 minus 2, 0. 7 is less than 13, then bring down 0 to the remainder. So where it is possible. See here. 13 5s are 65. 13 6s are 78. 13 6s are 78 is more than 70. Then it is not possible. 13 5s are 65, it is possible. See here, 65 is subtracted from 70. See here, 0 minus 5 possible? Not possible. So take borrowing from 7. So that is 10. Here 6. 10 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now bring down 58. See here, 13 4s are 52. Next, 13 5s are 65. 65 is more than 58. Then you can take 13 4s are 52. See here, 8 minus 2, 6. 5 minus 5, 0. 13 5s are 65. 65 is more than 63. Again we take 13 4s are 52. See here, 3 minus 2, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. So here all the digits are bring down. Now next, quotient is equals to 2544. Remainder is equals to 11. Now next, 21 table. $75,424. See here, 21 ones are 21. 21 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 40. 21 threes are, see here, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 63. 21 fours are, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 84. Next, 21 fives are, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. See here. So this is 21. So this is from left side we have to take 2 digits. If we take left side first place 7, 7 is less than 21, it is not possible. Then you can take 2 digits from left side, that is 75. See here where it is possible. 21 3 is 63, 21 4 is 84. 84 is more than 75. Then you can take 21 3 is 63. See here, 5 minus 3, 2, 7 minus 1, 6. Then 12 is less than the divisor. So bring down 4 to the remainder. See here, 21 6 are 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12, 21 7 are 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14. See here. Last bit. See here. Please. Twenty-one 3s are 63. 63 is subtracted from 75. We get 12. So 12 is less than 21. Now 4 bring down to the remainder. That is 124. See here. 21 6 are 126. 126 is more than 124. Then you can write 21 5s are 105. 21 5s are 105. See here, 4 minus 5 possible beta? Not possible. Take borrowing from 2, it can give 10. 10 plus 4, 14. And 2 it can last here 1. Here, see. 14 minus 5, 9. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Now next bring down 2 to the remainder. 192. See here, 21 8s are 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16. 21 9s are 9 1 are 9, 9 2 are 18. See here, 21 10s are 10 1 are 10, 1 210. See here, 21 9s are 189. See here, 192. Next, 21 10s are 210. 210 is more than 192. So we have to take 21 9s are 189. 9s are 189. Then here 2 minus 9 possible, not possible. Take borrowing from 9. It can give 10, 10 plus 2 12. So 8 it can, 9 it can last one, here 8. See here, 12 minus 9, 3. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is the last digit from the dividend. Bring down to the remainder. So here 4. 21 1s are 21, 21 2s are 42. 42 is more than 34. Then we have to take 21 1s are 21. 21 1s are 21. See here, 21 is subtracted from 34. Then first we subtract 1 from 4. Means 1 space digit. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. That is the remainder. So here, quotient is equals to 3591. Next remainder is equals to 30. Next beta, page number 19, word problem. Solve the following word problems. See here, solve the following word problems. See here, the male and female population of Nagpur is 5,18,590, 5,15,768 respectively. What is the total population? So number of male is equals to 5,18,590. Number of female is equals to 5,15,768. The total number of population of Nagpur. The total population of Nagpur. Population of Nagpur. Is equals to 5,18,590 plus 5,15,768. Then you can add it both. See here, 5,18,590. Next, 5,15,768. First we add the digits in ones place. So the given numbers write in column wise. Then you can add the digits in ones place. First, see here, 0 plus 8, 8. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 means 5 taking, carrying 1. Now next we add the digits in hundreds place along with carrying. See here, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 7, 13. 13 means 3 taking, 1 carrying. 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. 4 taking, 1 carrying. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 5, 10. So the total population of the Nagpur, 10,34,358. Therefore, the total population of Nagpur is equals to 10,34,358. Now next word problem. James flower shop sold. See here, James flower shop sold 1,26,065 flowers last month. It sold 1,34,762 flowers this month. How many more flowers did it sell this month than the last month? See here, first you can write this month flowers, and after you can write last month flowers sold by James. See, listen carefully better. So now here we do subtraction. Then here, number of flowers sold by James this month. this month is equals to 1,34,762. Next, number of flowers.
18 is the
What happened?
they came. 12 came. On therapy number.
See here, page number 19 from your activity book. Page number 19 beta. What the problem? Second one. Number of flowers sold by James last month. That is equals to 1,26,065 flowers. Number of more flowers see here, number of more flowers sold by James this month. Did you understand? ఎన్ని ఫ్లవర్స్ ఈ మంత్లో ఎక్కువ అమ్మాడు? ఎవరు? జేమ్స్. See what do I do? So you can do subtraction, means 1,34,762 minus 1,26,065. See here, 1,34,762, 1,26,065. First we subtract one space digit. See here, 2 minus 5 possible? Not possible. Take borrowing, can 10 plus 2, 12. See 6. Subtraction. See here, 12 minus 5, 7. See here. Next, 6 it can gives borrow, no? So it can last one here 5. 5 minus 6 possible beta? Not possible. Again take borrowing from 5. So here 15. It can last one here 6. See 15 minus 6, 9. Next 6 minus 0, 6. Next 4 minus 6 possible beta? Not possible. Take borrowing from 3. It can give 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 3. Here it can last 1. Remaining 2. Now next 14 minus 6, 8. 2 minus 2, 0 and minus 1, 0. So you can write down only. Number of more flowers sold by James this month, 8,697. Therefore, number of flowers, number of more flowers, sorry. $8,697. See here, next. Mahesh car has been driven 1,49,107 kilometers more than the distance between the Earth and Moon. Fiji. See here, Mahesh car has been driven 1,49,107 kilometer more than the distance between the Earth and the Moon. If the distance between the Earth and Moon is 3,84,403 kilometers, how many kilometers has the car been driven? అంటే ఎన్ని కిలోమీటర్లు డ్రైవ్ చేయాలి? See here, ఇక్కడ number of kilometers driven by
No car.
car, Mahesh car. See, no problem. See here, Mahesh car has been driven Mahesh car has been driven is equals to 1,49,107 kilometer. The distance between Earth and the Moon. And the Moon is equals to 3,84,403 kilometers. Here, number of kilometers the car has been driven. Is equals to, see, this minus this, 3,84,403 minus 1,49,107 kilometers. See here, 3,84,403, 1,49,107. See here. First we subtract the digits in one's place. 3 minus 7 possible, not possible. So we have to take borrow from tens place. Here tens place also 0. Then first we borrow from 4 to 0. So here 10, here 3. Next we borrow this to 0 to 3. See here, 0 it can give 10, 10 plus 3, 13. Here 10, cut it 9. See, here 4 is giving borrow to the 0, means 10, and 0 is giving borrow to the 3, means 10 plus 3, 13. Here 10 it can last 1, here 9, and 4 it can last 1, here 3. See here, 13 minus 7, 6. Next, 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 1, 2. See, 4 minus 9 possible, beta? Not possible. Again take borrowing from 8. Here 10, 10 plus 4, 14. 8 it can last 1, here 7. Next, 14 minus 9, 5. 7 minus 4, 3. 3 minus 1. So everybody write down only. Therefore the distance between the earth and the moon is equals to 2,35,296 kilometers. The distance between sorry beta therefore number of kilometers the car has been driven. Is equals to 2,35,296 kilometers. Okay, thank you everybody.